Hey, good morning. Glenn here at home in the garden. I've gotten a lot of work done so far. Yes, I'm doing my golf talk because it's early and it's quiet, so I don't want to wake anybody up. Not that there's anybody to wake up out there. Everyone's sleeping and enjoying a wonderful holiday weekend. Gonna have a good morning in the garden. It's been a spotty rain weekend, so last night we got a lot put in the garden. Probably can't see them in this here, but really excited. We're well on our way to getting our straw bales conditioned. Just wanted to thank Joel again for coming out and spending time with us here in the garden. That was pretty awesome. And the results are even going to be better. Excited about that. I just hope that the audio picks up all the birds right now, because all the birds are like crazy happy. And there's a pair of robins flying by right now. Anyways, we're gonna get some more garden block in. That's an exciting thing. At some point there will be a video about how to install garden block. I'm not gonna do it here. I'm gonna do one though that just gives you the basic pointer. So if you wanted to put garden block in, it'll get you started and kind of how to do it. So look for that video on a card that'll show up there when that's ready. It's gonna work for a couple hours and then grab coffee. So let's put some block in. It's day number 6 of conditioning the bales. It's still early, so I feel like I'm whispering again. Anyways, day 6 of conditioning the bales. We are just putting a gallon of water on today. No need for organic fertilizer, just the water. Even though it's rained, that rain is not going to be that solid gallon. So we are putting it on, and I've been summoned. It's time to go make coffee. But that's going to be a quick little make coffee. I don't even know what it is now. It's almost 8, and we are supposed to start to get the rain around 10, so I want to get some more onions in the ground. So I'm going to get these bales watered in and go make a pot of coffee, have a piece of toast. I should make some rhubarb jam. That sounds good. And then we'll be back out to put some onions in.
Why am I not like her? Be more so
Well, as forecasted, the rain is here. Probably could still work through this, but we had a nice lightning strike and a big rumble. Seemed like it was on top of us, but maybe a block or two away. So we're gonna head inside while this little cell passes. Almost completed getting this set up with onions. There's 3 different varieties of onions. We're doing just a nice yellow onion, a candy onion, and then red onion. So not too many varieties, but 3 varieties of onions. Still have a half a pot of coffee to finish, so we're gonna be good this morning. Today's coffee mug is by Matt Krause. Who? Yeah, you know. Enjoy.
I wish to be me.
Curtain dog. Did you come to get your spot in the video here? Well, that's gonna do it for this episode of In yeah, it's one of those days again. At home in the garden with Glenn and Jackson, the garden dog. Yeah, how about that? We got all the blocks for the garden path in place, and I don't know exactly when, but we'll be putting the pavers in sometime soon. Make sure, if you didn't see the video about the straw bales, to check that one out. And we finished up with getting the onions in here. So I got onions here and onions over there. The plan of how to plant, and I'm not that scientific about exactly how I want to have everything in the garden. As I mentioned earlier, to me a good garden is 50% flowers and 50% vegetables. And on the vegetable side of life, I do what's called a sauce and salsa garden. So things to make sauce, some of you might call it gravy, and salsa. So tomatoes, chilies, peppers, onions. Yeah, good stuff. And maybe salad. We'll call it the sauce, salad, and salsa garden, because we'll make our cucumber salad with the green peppers and the cucumbers, which are up, by the way. That's it. So thanks for following along. I do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and hit that bell, ding, dong, ding, and like the video, leave me a thumbs up, do something. Really appreciate the help as we do this. And hopefully, I think what we're gonna do the rest of the afternoon is maybe dig a couple more stumps out up front, work on the front of the house a little bit, and finish weeding this corner. I keep avoiding it, but don't tell Michelle that I keep avoiding it. All right, that's it. Take care. Enjoy. Jack, the garden dog. Ooh. Ooh.